What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to force your website to load over SSL or HTTPS using cPanel's file manager. Now, why would you ever need to do this? Well, once you install an SSL certificate on your site, you want every visitor to automatically load the secure version, not the old HTTP version. Forcing HTTPS helps with security, SEO, and preventing browser warnings like not secure. If your site is loading both versions or redirecting inconsistently, adding the right rules to your htaccess file and enforcing SSL in the wp-config.php file will fix that instantly. And this is one of the benefits of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting with file manager included. You can edit everything you need in just a few minutes. If you're not hosting with us yet, feel free to check out racknerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing and securing your website simple and reliable. Before we begin, I'll also mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to repair htaccess files, fixing issues, and how to edit the wp-config.php for troubleshooting. Today's guide builds on those by helping you lock your HTTPS configuration properly. All right, let's get into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account, and once you're inside, open File Manager from the main dashboard. Inside File Manager, go to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. Most of the time, this is going to be the public_HTML directory, but if your site is inside of a subfolder, you can open that instead. At the top right corner of File Manager, click on Settings and make sure Show Hidden Files is checked so that you can see the htaccess file. When this file appears in the list, right-click on it and choose Edit. If you see a pop-up warning you about editing system files, just click Edit again. Once the file is open, scroll to the very top where we're going to add a set of redirect rules that force every visitor to use HTTPS. Place your cursor above any existing WordPress rules and add this block of code. I'll show it on screen. This tells your server to automatically redirect all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. Once added, click Save Changes at the top right. Next, we'll enforce HTTPS from inside WordPress itself. In File Manager, look for the wp-config.php file in the same directory and right-click on it and then choose Edit. When this file opens, scroll down until you see the comment that says something like, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." A few lines above that, add in these two lines if they aren't already there. And below it, add this. These tell WordPress to treat your site and admin area as fully secured, even if something else on the server isn't passing HTTPS correctly. Once added, click Save Changes and close the editor. Now head back to your browser, refresh your website. You should see the HTTPS version load automatically. If you try to type the old HTTP version into the address bar, it would instantly redirect to HTTPS. And that's it, you've successfully forced your WordPress site to use SSL and HTTPS using cPanel's file manager. By updating both the htaccess file and the wp-config.php file, you are ensuring that your site loads securely every time, for every visitor. This is another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you the full control over your website that you want. With direct access to your files, you can secure, optimize, and troubleshoot your WordPress installation in just a few steps. If you're looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to racknerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step guides just like this. All right, that wraps up the tutorial. Catch you in the next video.